welcome back to our channel Next Home Tuition. So in this video we are going to discuss that how to create an effective study plan for home tuition. Parents struggling to organize your child's home tuition effectively, a well-structured study plan can make all the difference. It's not only helps students stay on track but also ensures consistent progress and improved performance. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step guide to creating an effective study plan for home tuition. Let's get started. So, section 1 is about access the student's need. The first step in creating a study plan is to understand the student's strength, weaknesses, and learning goals. First, identify learning objectives. What does the student need to achieve? Are they preparing for exams or working on specific skills? Strengths and weaknesses. Use past reports, quizzes, or discussions to identify areas of improvement. Third, understand learning style. Is the student a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner? Adapting the plan to their learning style ensures better retention. Section 2 is about set clear goals. Once you know the student's need, it's time to set clear and achievable goals. First, divide long-term objectives into smaller, manageable milestones. Second, follow the SMART approach. Goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Third, set weekly targets. For example, mastering a specific math topic or completing a chapter in science by the end of the week. Section 3 is about organize the curriculum. Organized curriculum helps in smooth and consistent progress. First, prioritize core subjects. Focus on essential subjects based on the student's need and exam schedule. Second, allocate time for each subject. Divide study hours based on the difficulty level and importance of each subject. Third, include revision sessions. Dedicate time for reviewing past lessons to reinforce learning. Fourth, use resources. Incorporate textbooks, online materials, and practice papers to make the curriculum comprehensive. Section 4 is about creates a flexible schedule. A well-structured but flexible schedule keeps students disciplined and motivated. First, divide study time into blocks. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method, 25 minutes of focused study followed by a 5-minute break. Second, balance study and breaks. Avoid long, monotonous study hours. Short breaks improve focus and productivity. बट वो शॉर्ट ब्रेक ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि जिसमें आगे जाके आप पढ़ ही नहीं रहे हैं बिल्कुल भी. थर्ड, अडैप्ट टू स्टूडेंट्स पीक एनर्जी लेवल्स. Schedule challenging subjects during their most alert hours such as mornings or after a snack. Fourth, incorporate extracurriculums. Include time for hobbies or sports to ensure a healthy work-life balance. Don't act like कि बच्चे को हमें पढ़ाकू कीड़ा बना देना है. No. Section 5 is about track progress and adjust. Regular tracking is crucial to ensure the study plan is effective. First, set weekly check-ins. Review completed tasks and identify areas that need more attention and उसी area पे ज़्यादा attention दीजिएगा. Second, use progress charts. Visual trackers help motivate students by showing how much they have accomplished. Third, be open to adjustments. If something is not working, tweak the schedule or teaching methods accordingly. Fourth, encourage feedback. Ask the student how they feel about the pace and content to ensure they are comfortable or not. Second, set a routine. Encourage the student to study at the same time every day to build discipline. Third, stay positive. Be patient and supportive, especially when the student is struggling. Creating an effective study plan for home tuitions is all about understanding the student's setting clear goals, organizing materials, and maintaining flexibility. With consistency, encouragement, and regular progress tracking, you can help your student achieve their academic potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on effective learning. See you next time.